At recent Instagram meetups, I've had other photographers ask why I choose to shoot photography with a GoPro over a DSLR. To answer this question, let's rewind to 2010, when my wife and I had this cute little guy. As a photographer, I knew I'd end up with a billion shots like this and this and this, as our world was centered entirely around our new addition to the family. But as he grew and became mobile, I knew he'd eventually be interested in this, and this. Definitely some of this. So in August of 2011, I bought a GoPro HD Surf Hero. The 5 megapixel camera on this meant I wasn't shooting a lot of stills with it, but some of our most precious memories were captured with this little video camera. Then, in the summer of 2013, a contact I had at GoPro asked me if I could get some photos of my band for the new GoPro Hero8 Plus music bundle. They sent us 4 cameras and every conceivable mount they had. I was excited to see how their camera had improved, and their camera had improved greatly, but challenging it was. Rock and roll means low light, so in the beginning, many a night produced hundreds of photos with no success. But us photographers love a challenge, and I would not be defeated. So I worked and I worked and I researched and I worked and I worked, and I started figuring out how to light for this camera. Things started to change. All this hard work and time I was putting in, combined with my previous photography knowledge, was starting to show results, and this feeling was unlike any other I'd had in photography. It was like a light went on, pun intended. Shortly after the month ended, the results of my efforts started paying off. From packaging and the website to catalog and billboards, my shots were getting noticed and going big time. Now it was time to start using this newer technology and the things I'd learned shooting with the band to capture those precious moments with my little man again as he got bigger and more active. This became my go-to camera over my DSLR. With this rugged camera in our hand, we shot and shot and shot with every fun new adventure. Together, we captured moments that made the grade, been featured or awarded by GoPro over 40 times and counting. These cameras just seem to speak to us. From magical family moments to sunset shots at the beach, I don't have to worry about my gear ever. I'm so excited to see what GoPro has in store for us this Tuesday.